So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of StumbleGuys account. So the first thing you want to do is go to StumbleGuys, click on play. You'll be redirected to this page here. You will need to log in order to log out. After that you will see something like this. So on the left you will see customize, friends and workshop. You can see the play button. You can see events, tournaments, parties, missions, settings, as well as currency right here. Now, in order to log out of your account, you can do a couple of different things. So you can see your profile right here. So you can see your ranks and stuff like that. In order to get a better understanding, you will need to go to settings. You can see your progress with your account. You can see the language that you're using in this app or the web version. You can see privacy, help, and support. So on here, click on this. After that, you can see the login and logout. If you click on this option right here, you will see the option afterwards, sign out. Are you sure you want to sign out? That's basically the same thing as logging out. And you can just click on sign out. And from there, you will no longer be connected to your StumbleGuys account and your session will end. So just make sure that you have finished playing for that session, but you can just as well log back in or sign back in and it'll be as if nothing has happened. So signing out or logging out isn't that much big of a deal, so you don't have to worry if you didn't want to sign out. Just don't worry about that, and you can easily sign back in through the same process on the settings page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.